You will hear a student called Wei Liu talking to a restaurant manager about a part-time job. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Hello, jobs for you. How can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for some part-time work. Something in a restaurant, maybe.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm in my second year at college, so I'm only available in the evenings and at weekends at the moment.
OK, let's have a look at what we've got. Right, well, there's a position as a kitchen assistant available. It's at the Carousel Cafe down on Swan Street.
Sorry, could you spell the name?
Yes, it's CAROUSEL.
Thanks. So, when would I have to work?
Well, it said here that they need staff for Saturday and Sunday, so that would be OK for you, wouldn't it?
Yes, it would. I guess the job involves washing the dishes.
That's right. It says here they have a dishwasher, though, so you'd load the dishes and take them out. Oh, but before you do that, you first have to clear the tables in the cafe and take the dishes into the kitchen for washing.
Fine. Is there anything else?
Bellamy's restaurant is looking for waiting staff. That's not for the weekends, though. That would be 2 evenings a week, Thursday and Friday. You do the things normally associated with that kind of job, taking orders and serving the food. There are also some cleaning duties too.
That sounds reasonable.
The final job we've got that might suit you is for a barista.
What?
A barista, you know, someone who serves coffee. This job is at a department store all day on a Saturday.
Oh, in Tanner's.
No, well, yes. Tanner's has a new owner, and so the name recently changed to Millaby's. It's spelt MILLERBY''S.
Great, thanks. What would I have to do there?
You'd need to make and serve hot drinks. They also sell cakes there, so you'd need to bake them first thing in the morning. They're pre-prepared, so you wouldn't need to be an expert. Just put them into the oven. Now, read questions 6 to 10. Now, the summer holidays are coming up and there are some temporary jobs available at a local ice cream factory. Would you be interested in those?
Oh, yes, definitely. I don't have any plans. What kind of jobs?
Well, they're full-time jobs, Monday to Friday, but they're also temporary, for about 6 weeks. The first position is an unusual one. It's for a food taster. That's the person who checks that the ice cream has been produced correctly by the machines. It's a quality control job, really. The salary's good for this kind of job at £15.30, but you'd need to take a test to make sure you have good tasting skills.
That sounds really interesting. I'm definitely interested in that one.
One of the best things about that job, I think, is the fact you can get involved in their creation programme. That's where staff experiment with different flavours to create new ice cream recipes. Wouldn't it be great if you could create a new ice cream flavour?
Yes, absolutely.
The second job they're offering is food packer, where you have to put packets of biscuits into boxes and then label each one. You need to be conscientious to do this kind of job. It pays £8.45 an hour, which is obviously less than the food taster job. But if you stay for the whole 6 weeks until the end of the summer, you receive extra pay. It's about 1 week's wages.
That might be okay.
Finally, there's one more job, and that's an office assistant. You'd need to be good with computers and a fast typist, as you'd have to prepare reports. You'd also have to manage the customer database. It pays £12.50 an hour. As part of the job, you'd attend a course in health and safety. This training would be good to put on your CV and might help you find other work after the summer.
Okay, well, thank you very much. I will give it some thought.
Good. You can apply for the jobs directly on our website.